Hey people, it's Dima with Dance Fit Tutorials channel, and I'm here today to teach you our new dance fitness choreography to El Tiki by Maluma. Oh, if you haven't seen the video yet, go and click here to check it out. And I'm a Russian, so get ready to terrible English speech. And we start. Okay, our first move, we take right foot to side, left foot to side, and then heel, toe, heel, and stop. Left foot, right foot, heel, toe, stop. More faster, right and left, and heel, stop. Left and right, heel, stop. And put our arms here. And every time we do, just pumps. Pump. Okay. To the right, to the left, to the heel, stop. And left, to the left, to the right, heel, stop. And more faster. Right and left. Heel, boom. Left and right, heel, stop. Okay, next step, we take our right foot and do 2 steps. And then left foot, 2 steps. And here we just step touch. And go back, 2 steps to the right foot, 2 steps to the left. And then step touch. Next step, we'll take our right foot and do stomp 4 times. Stomp. And do it with our hips. Stomp. And do it with our arms, like after a shower with towels, yeah? Stomp. Okay, now we do it around 4 times. Stomp, and stop. Jump across. Okay, and turn around. Try again. Stomp. Jump. Okay, and turn around. All the things to the left foot. Stomp. Cross. Left, right, forward. Okay, and turn. And here is our last step. We take right foot and do heel and stop. Heel and stop. 2 times. Heel, stop. Then we step back behind the left foot, step side, and just step. Try again. Heel, stop, back, side, stop. More faster. Heel, stop, back, side, stop. Heel, stop, back, side, stop. Okay. Next move, we stay here. And we move our weight to the right foot, toe, heel. To the left foot, toe, heel. And then our hips. Pa. Try again. Toe, heel, hips. Toe, heel, hips. Okay, from the top. Heel, stop, back, side, stop. Toe, hips. And do all these things to the left foot. We do heel, stop, back, side, stop. Weight to the left foot, weight to the right foot, and then hips. Try again. Left foot, stop. Right foot, stop. Left, right, left. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left. And try combo these two moves. We do our right foot, stop, left foot, stop, side, side, stop, bam, 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 bam. And with left foot, heel, stop, back, side, stop, bam, 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 bam. And little more faster, heel, stop, back, side, stop, boom, 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 and left. Heel, stop, stop, boom, 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 boom. Okay, now go and click here to try dance with the music. Also, make sure you subscribe to this channel, we've got a lot of new dance fitness video coming for you on every week. So share it, like it, bye!